This conveyor showcases MC3's ingenuity in solutions and conveyor design. We needed to address challenges in robotic welding applications. By reimagining an existing design, MC3 created a conveyor that can handle sharp parts dropping onto the belt that is resistant to heat and weld expulsion. MC3 regularly stocks parts for this low maintenance conveyor. We can make it 1.5-inch pitch for low profile applications and a 2.5-inch pitch for heavy duty applications.